Welcome to devlog number 17 for Efficiency, the best to-do list app ever created. Today, we did a system that no one will ever even notice in the game, but is incredibly important, and it is all in the code. Today, we made the database for all of the quests that you're going to be doing in the game and how they're going to get tracked. Now, this information is not filled out yet. It is still a little bit janky, but it's been done. So right now, how it's set up is we have a quest caps log and a quest tracking log, and both of these are integer arrays that are 4 deep. So basically, it's an array of an array of an array of an array. And in that final array, so you can use indexing to go from the island to the house to the person and to the quest that the person has. Every person has 3 separate quests, and they can all be tracked numerically. Let's say it's only one thing that you need to do. Let's just say it's play this minigame. Then that would be tracked at 1 because it's either 0 or 1. It's not done or it is done. But let's say it's a donation quest where you need to donate 5 fish. That would be tracked at a 5 because, you know, it's 1 to 5. Maybe it would be tracked at 4 because, you know, indexing starts at 0, all that fun stuff, but you get the general idea. I've now set up that system so that it's in-game and we are able to have that back-end database. So let me correct that right there. It's not in-game yet. This is just a database that I have now set up that will allow me to, in the future, modify these values based on what the quests are that the villagers have. So it's a halfway complete system, but the hard part is done. Now it's the creative part of thinking, okay, what are these villagers going to be having as their quest lines? What is the person going to need to do? And from there, I can just implement some simple number changes to make that all work. But the hard grunt work of just copy and pasting and doing this over and over and over is now finished. So we did about, what is this, like 800 lines of code today, 700, a lot of lines of code. But overall, it was just a lot of copy and pasting, a lot of, you know, grueling by hand indexing, but it's the best way that I found to do this, where I can manually adjust every single person's quest log amount. And I would do it in a for loop, but I need to be able to access specific ones and change those specifically. So this is the best way that I've found to do it. If you guys had any better ideas now that I've actually finished it, leave those in the comment section. I might rage a little bit if I see one that's a lot better, but honestly, that's all coding is. It's learning from your mistakes, and that's the fun part about it. So one system that I did yesterday that I forgot to mention in devlog number 16 is that we set up all the rat sprites. Yesterday, Colby made them. Go check out her art log if you haven't already. It is amazing. But we set up all of the rat sprites. So now if we go ahead and just, you know, sell some fish, actually get money to be able to buy from the guy. Hold on, we don't have enough. You will see that on every single island, there is a different rat sprite. They all have names set up. It is a full system already and going, which is really, really cool. So Colby is solely to thank for these cool sprites. I think that the rat merchant system is cool because I think it's funny. And it doesn't really make sense as to why it's a rat merchant, but as you guys can see, some of these guys are pretty freaking tough. So I'm honestly really happy that it exists. I don't know why those weren't in a stack. That's slightly worrying, but we're going to ignore that factor now. And then we just need to buy a few more things to show you off one more rat sprite before we finish off for the day. Let's go ahead and ignore that error. I don't like that, but we'll sell another one. We'll sell some of these taiyaki, the Elite 8 fish, to buy another table, go to the next island, and as you guys can see right here, it's another rat sprite. So there are 16 of those throughout the game. You'll find them as you explore through the game. But overall, that is the end of devlog number 17. We've got some big systems that need reworking coming up, but I have to be up in about 6 hours, so I need to get to bed. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will catch you all in the next one. Let's head over to Colby for a good old classic outro. Colby, give me a goodbye for the video.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Have a good one, everyone.